In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in the Outlook address book. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, and I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type Outlook, and in the results, select the official Microsoft Outlook link. You can also go directly to outlook.live.com if you prefer. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account credentials and wait for your mailbox to load. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. Here, you'll find the People section, which is where your address book lives. It may be labeled People, or you might see an icon that looks like two silhouettes. Click that to switch from Mail to People. If your navigation pane is collapsed, expand it first so the labels are visible. You're now in the People view, which shows your contacts and lists. At the top, you'll see an option to add a contact. Go ahead and click Add a Contact to open the contact form. A panel will appear where you can enter the details for the person you want to add. Start with the essentials, first and last name, and their primary email address. Outlook uses this information to recognize the person later when you compose messages. If you have more details, fill those in as well. Things like a phone number, company, job title, or a secondary email. There's also room for notes, which is handy for reminders such as how you know the person or important preferences. Only include information you actually need. You can always come back and add more later. Take a quick moment to review what you've entered to avoid typos, especially in the email field. When everything looks good, click Save. Outlook will confirm the new contact is created and add it to your default contacts list. From now on, when you start a new email and type this person's name or address in the TOCC or BCC fields, Outlook will suggest the contact automatically. If you use Outlook on multiple devices with the same account, the contact will be available there as well. And if you ever need to update anything, return to People, open the contact, make your changes, and save again. That's it. You've added a contact to your Outlook address book. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step as you add your next contact.